How to change app theme on gate.io. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Changing the theme on the gate.io or the Gate app is actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open the Gate application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Gate, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner from the homepage. Now, once you do that, you'll come across this page. Go ahead and tap on your username at the top and then click on Preferences on the next page. Inside Preference, tap on Theme. Select Dark Mode from the option. After you do that, you'll be able to change your app theme to dark mode. You can also go ahead and switch between light mode or dark mode whenever you prefer by coming to this page. If you want your theme to automatically switch between light and dark depending on your system setting, you can tap on Automatic Switch option. But I like the dark mode better, so I'm just gonna do that for now. Once you do this, you will be able to see your theme changed dark in color. That's it. Your app should now feel more comfortable and personalized for your eyes and trading style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.